An update on my tattoo sleeve removal. So I had this done on camera on TikTok pretty much around 6 weeks ago. It'll be 6 weeks on Tuesday, but you might be watching this in like 6 months time. It's almost 6 weeks, and this is the area that I did this part and here as well. So can you see the colouring is like brown in the shading, and that is what happens to other areas as well. It happened to this one, it happened to all of it when it was quite freshly lasered within the first few weeks. That will go away. And I got kind of freaked out actually, because I researched it and it said like, oh, it's oxidized, and that means that it can no longer be treated with laser, and it means that the pigment has like changed colour and it's more I don't really understand. Look, I'm not a scientist, I'm a victim. I'm not a victim. I did this to myself. But every other piece has had this sort of browny tinge in the beginning, and that's gone away as my skin heals, because it does take time for your skin to heal. Even though that's fine and looks fine and feels fine, the layers of skin are still healing and recuperating, and that's why it's so important to wear the UV sleeve thingies. I got these on Amazon. I got these in they're a 3-pack, but they're a 3-pack of pairs, so technically I have 6. They're really ugly, but obviously they're important. And you get an increased risk of not only burning but also of skin cancer because of the sensitivity of your skin. So that's important if you're doing that. This will continue to fade and fade and fade. Like, this was that colour, but it was gone almost instantly, so I feel like she hasn't actually done this line. I think we've focused it inside of here, but so far my skin has taken really well and the ink has like gone quite quickly, so I'm anticipating that'll do the same, but it takes several weeks to fade. Like, this will still be fading in a couple of months time, and I'm not going to hit that again until I've hit the other 3/4 of my sleeve. Just keep this as the reference for now, and then I'll come back and stitch this video and show you like in another 6 weeks, I guess, so you can see the progress. Randomly, I had a laser session yesterday, not on purpose, like accidentally. I went with someone else to their laser session and just ended up getting some on my own, not with my normal. Maybe I should text her before I post this. I'll do a separate video.